Kasudong kapung yam kan long ketem jengok kai bapo nambah kajela lembagi kam shna jong ubriu kum kathan sora berkiwe jeka belabu hi kemaryang. Kasuka jela ka penkre ban penjingi dagi ling duriau hapung yam ha bagi nongon kai kinyo ban syong ban lek kemen nangta kan penyai ru dagi gibelka. Kaman shwa labu ru yo monong rim ban shna ya hospitality complex ka ba ap khandai krul hamolendem. Mentak genti ka soka jela ka menjuru bak tenat jengok kai kan simti no ya jaka jong tenat boarding ka bahe kumba aspa anyo fly point subway akar ha yam na kementa ban te ya ki hotel bahe bat kwe jing te ban kring ya wan kai ya kene ai thu dano ai tin ka soka jela ba polong do hadin ba awai ki jingrang kenhun menteri mentak sngi khar atrik ujileo aja absan katkum kujinyate ya kejingmi na kate jaka onya sam ha pedeng ketenat boarding bar ketenat jengok kai ke jela kijaka ban sinak tem jengok kai gintop ya ka IB campus nang ta kalat nongsder kijaka ban hadin ka school ka MECL bar ka NHRDC ka block 5 bar kumju ka lumpong deng island.
Yes. The department will pay an amount of ₹1 per acre, but the share of the power department will be 90% as lease amount for the first 60 years. Yes, which is extendable by 30 years. These are first the repurposing of MECL land. As I had mentioned in my earlier briefings, the move to further enhance and upscale the tourism sector with the support of line departments. So today I'm happy to share with you that in order to monetize the unutilized land of MECL and its subsidiaries for development of tourism projects on lease and revenue sharing mode, the Cabinet today cleared the proposal whereby the Power Department through the MECL has decided to part with 273.41 acres of land and lease them to the Department of Tourism. The areas include the existing IB campus, the land from Leh Junction all along the dike, Rishatsni up to Nongsdare village, police station and all the land behind the MECL school, land behind HRDC up to Nisak, block 5 area and the Lompongdeng Island, totaling 273.41 acres. This transfer of land from the Power Department to the Tourism Department will be as per government policy, which is first on a 60 years lease period, extendable by 30 years. And this will then be used for development of various tourism projects, which I will be briefing you from time to time. Yes. Mainly, we will bring in 5-star hotels. There's also the introduction of lake cruise services within the next 1 year. We will also be looking at more accommodation facilities, which are of 3 to 4-star category. So we will draw a map whereby we will optimally use this huge tract of land, which is 273.41 acres.